So first thing, okay, it's going to take text and it's going to return a list. Return. Okay, so that doesn't exist yet, so it's underlined. So the first thing I want to do is create that. I'm going to change it to an array variable type name because I like that better. Not that it really matters. And I'm going to create an empty array. Okay, if I want to create an empty array with nothing in it, but still have it be an array, I just put empty square brackets at the end there. So now, once I have established the empty array that I'm going to return, now I got to fill it up with only email addresses. So the first thing I want to do is I want to break up the text into pieces. So break up text into words. And then the next thing I want to do is I want to check each word for an @ symbol. Okay? And then add to AR emails. Okay, so this is the first step of figuring out. It's not sufficient because it's going to return a lot of garbage, but we got to do this one step at a time. We're breaking down the problem into smaller pieces. So I'm going to take that array, or take the string that's provided, and I'm going to break it up into words. AR words equals str text, and I'm going to use split to break it up into words. Now, how will I do something to each word? Okay, I want to check each word. So if anytime I want to do something to each part of an array, I'm going to use what kind of a loop? While or for? Quiet today. Okay, I'll give it to you. A for loop, okay? So I'm going to use a for loop for str word in AR words. Okay, so right now I'm going to, this says, let's do something to each piece of this array that I created by splitting my text into pieces. We're going to do something to each word in that array. What are we going to do to it? We are going to check and see if it has an @ symbol in it, right? So we're going to say str, or if str word dot find, and we're looking for the @ symbol. And remember, find returns the index of where it finds that character. We're not really interested in where that character is. We're interested in the fact that that character exists. So if it exists, we just know that it's not going to be equal to -1. So if it finds it somewhere in that word, it is not going to be equal to -1, then we're going to add that word. We're going to append str word to that AR emails. So we have an empty array. We create an array by breaking this up into text, and then we're going to check each word. If that word has that character in it, in other words, it comes back at anything other than -1, then we're going to append str words to the email array. And then when we're done checking each word, we're going to return the emails. So if I test that function, print return emails str text 1. Oops, I have to run the correct program, otherwise it won't do anything. Uh-oh. What did we not do here?